Payday loans can be a great option when you are having trouble financially. They are sometimes necessary. However, you need to understand how they work. This article has all the advice you need. Payday loans have at least one thing in common with any other financial agreement. It is absolutely necessary for you to review all of the documents thoroughly before committing yourself. If you do not read the fine print, you could be setting yourself up for a financial disaster. In order to protect yourself, peruse the contract thoroughly and ask questions about anything you don't understand. Take a look at all alternatives prior to seeking payday loans. You might be able to get money from friends and family, or reach an agreement with your creditors. You should only consider a payday loan in an emergency situation. Make sure you learn from the experience and keep some savings for these situations. When you have to borrow some money from a quick loan company, chances are the rates you will pay on the money are very expensive. These rates can even reach up to 200%. Payday lenders rely on usury law loopholes to charge exorbitant interest. Make sure to completely read and understand the fine print of your contract before you sign for a payday loan. There are always fees that are hidden and that can make a payday loan cost way more money than it should. By knowing about these fees ahead of time, you won't have to pay more money towards your loan. If you have gotten a payday loan, you must know that they want all of your contact information. The loan officer is going to need to know your home number, cell number, and probably the number for your employer as well. Most payday loan companies want you to give them some references. The best time to get a payday loan is when you have the capital, but it is not immediately available at a reasonable price. Imagine having money in CES that you can use. Liquidating that money would cost more than the fees for taking out a payday loan of the same amount. The payday loan could actually result in significant savings, provided you pay it back on time. Prior to applying for a payday loan, do some research. You may think this financial crisis is too big to wait. However, there is always time to investigate. Payday loans are known for being very fast. Sometimes, you can get the money shortly after applying for it. Search online to find the cheapest rates, to discover lender complaints on the website of the BDB, and to determine if you can't find other methods of obtaining the money you need without having to pay high payday loan fees. Credit counseling may be in order if you find that you are depending on payday loans too often. You can find yourself in a desperate financial cycle if you continually depend on payday loans. When payday loans are involved, do not allow your good judgment to be swayed by personal relationships. If a friend or family member is unable to get a payday loan, don't step in and do it on that person's behalf. This makes you responsible for making the payment if they are not able to later. When people are in a tough financial situation, they rarely think things through. Lenders love to take advantage of people who don't know about the genre, so you have to avoid these pitfalls by educating yourself on the loans. Solving an emergency cash crisis requires doing your research and carefully considering your options.